Welcome to the fryer filtering tutorial. At the end of the night, you'll want to turn off the fryer first. Take a wad of paper towels and clean up the back area behind the vats. Make sure you sop up as much of the oil back there as possible and get it as clean as possible, and then throw the paper towels away. You'll also want to make sure that the fryer is always turned off when there's no oil in the vats, otherwise this could potentially start a fire. Open up the compartment below the fryer. Here you'll find a couple of valves. You'll want to open up the left vat valve slowly and let the oil come out. Make sure that the channel valve is switched over to the left side. Then go behind the fryer and open up the pump valve. Then turn on the pump. Make sure you open up that pump valve first before turning on the pump. Now that you got the pump process in place, go ahead and grab the tools located by the turbo chef on the wall. Grab the rod first and pry up the vat plate. Then grab a wad of paper towels and grab the vat plate. It's very hot. Put this to the side inside of the vat. Now you're going to have the oil cycling through the vat and down into the catch and up again. Use this cycling process to clean it. Grab the scrub brush from the wall and start cleaning the bottom of the vat. Try to move all the particles into the drain. Once you push down as much food particles as possible, you're going to go down below and close the vat valve again. This will allow the vat to fill up partially, and with it partially filled, you want to brush inside of the vat all around the sides. Then open up the vat again and allow it to drain. This will allow the remaining food particles to flush into the filtration system. After this, you'll see that the oil is nice and clean, and you'll be able to close the vat one last time. Then you'll want to grab a wad of paper towels and grab the vat plate. Remember, it's extremely hot, and replace the vat plate. Again, you want to use caution. It is extremely hot. Now, you're going to start on the right vat. You're going to go ahead and open up the right vat valve while the left one is filling up. Now you're going to repeat the process you did with the left side on the right side. Take the rod and pry up the plate. Grab a wad of paper towels and remove the plate and put it to the side inside of the vat. Remember, it's extremely hot. Next, you'll want to start using the scrub brush on it. When the left vat fills up to the right level, you want to change the vat channel valve to the right side. Now you're going to be cycling on the right side. You can use the scrub brush to continue cleaning on the right side, pushing down the food particles into the drain. Sometimes pushing food particles into the drain will cause the drain to get clogged. In this case, you want to open the vat valve completely, and then you want to take the rod and you want to stick it into the drain hole, and you want to push the food particles down in a circular motion, and this will remove the clog. So you take the rod and you poke it into the drain hole in a circular motion. You have to be patient because sometimes removing a clog can take time. Just keep poking and moving in a circular motion in the hole, and eventually the clog will be removed. After it's removed, go ahead and continue cleaning the vat. Continue pushing all the food particles into the drain. Close the drain again to do a partial fill, and then clean and move all the food particles from the walls towards the drain and do a complete flush. The best concession stands filter nightly. Once it's clean, you go ahead and fill up to the proper levels, and then you want to wipe down and clean all around the vats. So once you've filled up everything, if your oil level is too high, what you want to do is release some of the oil back into the filtration system. So go ahead and open the valve slowly and then watch the level. Towards the back, between the two prongs, there are some bevels that kind of show what level the oil should be at. It should be right around the top bevel between those two prongs. If you look really closely, right between the prongs, you'll see the bevel emerge. You want to go ahead and keep it right around that top bevel, and then you can stop. Now you want both levels to be at the same, and once you have that, you can go ahead and turn off the pump. Remember, turn off the pump first before you close off the valve. So turn the switch off and then close the valve. There it is. All right, now that you've turned off the pump, go ahead and do one final wipe down. Make sure all the surfaces are clean and ready for inspection. Once you've done cleaning all the surfaces, you want to make sure you throw all your paper towels away into the trash and clean up after yourself. Put the trash away, then close the fryer doors, and at the end of the night, your fryer should look beautiful, immaculate, and ready for the next day. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.